How you doing today? This is Sean from the channel Wolf Dog Moon, and today we're going to be teaching you how to play Small Town by John Mellencamp. If you like this content, please think about smashing that like button, giving us a subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Let's get into this. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put capo on the 4th fret as follows. Now the chords are pretty easy, pretty basic. I'll just run them through really quick. You're going to play a G chord, and that's 3rd fret. By the way, everything's relative to the capo. So what is in actuality the 4th fret? Now right here, the 5th fret becomes the 1st fret. And so everything that I tell you is in relation to where the capo is. So for the G chord, you're gonna go to the 3rd fret. You're gonna put your middle finger on the low E string right here, and then on the 2nd fret you're gonna put your pointer finger, and then on the high, the B string in the 3rd fret, and then the high E string of the 3rd fret, and that's a G chord. And then what you're gonna do for the next chord is you're gonna drop down to, well, we'll just go through the chords and then I'll show you what order that you play them in. So you're just going to move these two fingers right here, your pointer finger and middle finger. You're going to put your middle finger down on the A string in the 3rd fret, and then you're going to put your pointer finger in the 2nd fret of the D string, and that becomes a C add 9. Sounds like this. And then your next chord that's in the song is a D, and the D chord is your pointer finger and middle finger in the 2nd fret, your pointer fingers on the G string in the 2nd fret, and then your middle finger is on the high E string in the 2nd fret, and then your ring finger is in the 3rd fret of the B string, and you play the D string open, and that becomes a D chord. Like that. So let's just run through the intro of the song. It goes like this. So what you're doing right there is you're just going from the G chord to the D. So you can hold this shape and just lift your pinky. So you hold this shape right here and just bring these two fingers down to where I told you before, and now you have a D chord. And then you're going to go from there to the C add 9, and then you're going to go back to the D, and then you're going to finish on the G. So let's run through the intro again. And for the strumming, it's kind of like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So it's like down, down, up, kind of a pattern like that. You're just gonna have to go on feel, and helps to kind of either hum the song, or if you want, just sing the song, and you'll get the rhythm. It goes like this. Now for this part is a little transition. You're going to go from that C add 9 to an A minor. To play the A minor, you're going to put your middle finger on the D string in the 2nd fret, and then right below that you're going to put your ring finger on the G string, and then you're going to put your pointer finger on the B string in the 1st fret. So that gives you an A minor chord. So let's take it from the top. I was born in a small town and live in a small town. Probably died a small town, yeah, small community. Educated in a small town, taught to fear Jesus in a small town. Used to daydream in the small town, another boring romantic, that's me. So you're going from that A minor to a D. And I've seen it all in a small town. Myself a ball in a small town. Married it down, brought it to this small town. Now it's a small town just like me. Now for this part where it goes, I get out, escape from where it is that I come from, that part, you're gonna play the C add 9, and you're gonna go to the G, and you're gonna go back to the C add 9, then you're gonna go to the G, and then you're gonna go to a D chord. So it's, I cannot escape where it is I come from, for people I know and love me. Slight correction, let me correct that. So you're gonna go from the C add 9 to the G to the C add 9, and then to the D. Okay, you don't go to the G one more time. So C add 9 to G, C add 9 to the D chord. So I cannot escape where it is I come from, where people I know and love me. Yeah, I can be myself now in a small town, where people let me be just what I wanna be. Yeah. For this part of the song, there's like a little bit of a breakdown. The song changes tone slightly, and all you're gonna do is add an E minor in right there. So that's what I like to do. So there's like a tonal shift in the song. So to play an E minor, you're gonna put your pointer finger in the 2nd fret of the A string, and then right below that, you're gonna play your middle finger right below that. Another way to play it is like this, because it's really just the G chord without your pointer finger. So you can play it like this. I like to just play it like this in case I want to transition to one of those other chords quicker and smoother. So this is how I play it. So 2nd fret with your pointer finger of the A string, and then right below that with your middle finger on the D string. So, and I play the breakdown like this. Stand this chord. Got nothing against the big town. Still hayseed enough to say, hey, look who's in the big town. My bed is a small town. Yeah, it's good enough for me. Seen it all in a small town. So that's pretty much the whole song. And for the outro of the song, you're just playing the what you played for the other verses. And then one more time, you're gonna go to the A minor for the I was born in a small town, and I could breathe in a small town. Probably die in a small town. Yeah, it's probably where they'll bury me. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. So that's pretty much how you play that song. And it's an easy one, and it's fun. You can play that one around the campfire and have a good old time. Everyone knows that song, and you can all join in and sing it together, and it'll sound great. So I hope this video finds you having an amazing day, and I hope you have a blessed day. Signing out.